Welcome to the cloud space I developed. Let me walk you through its exciting features. Starting with the login process. Firstly, navigate to the CloudSpace login page. Once the site loads, enter your user account credentials and click on the login button. Once successfully logged into Cloud, we gain access to various features in single portal. We can manage files, emails, music, and Office documents. Files section. In the Files section, you can easily upload your files. Simply click on the New option, select Upload Files, and choose the files you want to upload. The upload time is depending on the file size. Once the files are uploaded, they can be downloaded at any time. You can also share files. Just click on the share icon, then click on plus icon generate and copy the shareable link. Once the link is copied, send it to the user. The user can download the shared file without any account. The user can download shared file using provided link. Let's go into Mail section. In the Mail section, after configuring our Gmail account, we can easily send, receive, and organize emails, ensuring a smooth and efficient email experience. Music section. Now, let's dive into the music section. In this, we can store our playlists in cloud storage, allowing you to easily stream your favorite tracks directly from the platform. It serves as your personal music library, accessible anytime and anywhere you want. Let's move to Office Sheets. In the Office section, here, you can take productivity to the next level. Create and edit Word documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentations directly online. For example, let's open a Word file, do some change in font style and font size, and do some changes in background colors as well. And once done, we can download the file. Once the file is downloaded, we can also view it. That's it for now, but the platform offers even more exciting features. I hope you enjoyed this overview. There's still so much more to uncover, so stay tuned for more insights into its full potential.